Hi everyone, this is Steve from Mammotion Tech. Today we are unboxing YUKA Mini Vision. Let's check it out. This is our quick start guide. This is the charging station plate. It also comes with a user manual. Let's open it. This is our YUKA Mini Vision. This is our accessory kit. And this is our charging station. Let's check out what's in the accessory kit box. This is the brush, screwdriver, extra security kit, marker, power supply, and the stay kit. And then we will assemble the charging station. Now let's install the charging station for YUKA Mini Vision. This is the marker.